Okay, so this is our setup in the ASH25e. So in the front we have one Zeus 4.3 unit and one main EOS unit, and in the back we have a second backseat EOS unit. So when I put on the power, only the EOS will start first, and I have to switch on the Zeus separately, which I will do once the EOS has booted up. So on the EOS currently we have version 1.7 running.
Pilot.
So this is now because he does not see that, or he does not notice that there is a Zeus connected, because the Zeus is still powered off. So he will start with the setup menu. So what I will do now is start up the Zeus. I have put in the USB stick with the operating system, the 4.4 version, which you had sent me by email. And I'm going to update it to this version.
Connected.
So I press the value button and I switch the power on of the Zeus unit. It will give me the usual screen to choose between a normal start, an upgrade and system reset. So I choose for the upgrade, I select the file on the USB stick, the 4.4.0 version you sent me by email. It verifies the file, it starts installing. It should, according to you, it should also start updating the EOS, which it will not do. Or at least it didn't do it the last 15 times I tried to update the Zeus. Update success. Right now you also see in the meanwhile that the setup menu disappeared from the EOS, which means that the EOS somehow notices that there is a Zeus connected to it. There is no setup menu anymore, which is normal behavior. Now I'm starting up the Zeus. Just enter some default settings. It's not important right now. And then what you will see immediately as soon as the Zeus has started up completely is that on the top of the screen, where I should see the battery power, the time, you see on top it says 0.0 volts. Time is just the standard time, 12 o'clock, so it does not get any info from the EOS. What I see as well is when I push the setup, I go to the service menu to detected hardware, which is in here. It should show me like a green checkbox on front of the EOS in here, but it does not detect an EOS unit. However, the EOS still does not show a setup menu, so it appears to me that the EOS does know there is a Zeus connected to it, but the Zeus on his turn, he does not know about the EOS. So that's the problem that we are facing right now. On the back side, you can see that the Zeus is connected. There are two CAN cables coming from the Zeus. The cable above is going to the EOS unit on the front seat, and the second white cable below is going to the back unit, or the second EOS unit on the back seat. And this is the EOS with all cables coming from it. We also tried changing the CAN bus cable, changing the CAN bus ports. We did several different setups with different CAN bus cables, and problems still persist. So if you have additional tips, there would be welcome.